What is going on? Strat Soldier here for the weekend shift update. Let's see what's going on. We opened up as a 3-2. We only have a couple days left, so we want to see if this thing closes as a hammer on the month. That's going to be a heck of a hammer. A heck of a hammer right here. All right, on the month on SPY. Let's look at the weekly chart. We open up as a 3-2 up. Again, if you follow 8X trades, he likes to call that a 1-3-2. See you later. We'll see how far that goes. Today, not a lot happening. Not a lot happening, but the magnitude of this continuation, 3-2 continuation up, is 567. Let's see if we get there. We do have earnings. Earnings season it's upon us. All right, it's a go. I still have this marked from last week. You can see the money flow index definitely reconfirming that the buyers are in here. All right, the buyers are definitely in here. You can see here where let's get our learning line. The learning line. You can see right here where they started buying on April 9th, and you know, even though it was still, they were buying here in this area. It did come up, but it didn't really, you know, it didn't do a lot of moving. Not like this. This is very sharp. Right here. Very sharp. Straight to the highs. So this is good. That means, remember, money flow index. Money flow index, it measures price and volume at the same time. Price and volume at the same time. And they're definitely reconfirming each other. All right, that's awesome. Price is going up. Money flow index going up. That's awesome. That is awesome. Here's your 60s. That says 65 minute. Let's go down to the 60s. Not a lot today. Not a lot. What is interesting here is a little triangle day out on the 60s. What is a triangle day out? It is a reversal on a trend that resumes the trend. All right. This is a throwback. Everyone calls it a pullback. That's not correct. It's a throwback. When you have bullish activity and the price comes back down to the mean and it resumes, that's a throwback. All right. Also, in the strat, we call it a triangle day out. They sold it down. They bought it up. Everybody was here. Yep, we knew it was going to go back to the lows. They're selling puts. They're in puts. They're selling stocks, and then right after 12:30, 1:30 in the afternoon, boom, in their face. All these people that were selling became losers. All right, losers. That was SPY today. QQQ. Excuse me, Dow Jones. Let's move this over. Dow Jones, same 3-2 up. QQQ, same. All right, 3-2 up. The days in the 60s pretty much the same. All right, here's your 60s. Sold them down, bottom up. Let's go to the weekly watch list. Again, if you have TrendSpider and you imported this, your watch list changed as well as soon as I changed mine. Costco, inside week still, waiting for that hammer to go in force above 996.99. Waiting for it to go in force, not getting in early. MCK inside on the week. Amgen 2-1-2 reversal up. It is in force. And it's kind of sitting there, but it is in force. The magnitude is 296. You can be in that. Humana. All right, we were talking about this. This is also a conversation on Twitter. Yes, it is stuck in a mother bar. It is stuck in a mother bar back here. But we will always take an actionable signal that can get us out of this mother bar. If this goes in force above 268, and hits magnitude of 297, and it continues on, it could get out of this. Okay, it could get out. This could be the actionable signal that does that. So we'll see. If it doesn't work, there's no reason to be upset. Just get out of it. Johnny John, still inside weak. Oof. DVA, hammer and force on the week, but red. You can see that here. Not the best. Not the best. Chevron to enforce 2-2 reversal back up. Actually, that's a Wkshft inside bar, 2 down, 2 up. That's a Wkshft. Inside bar, 2 down, 2 up. 2 bar Wkshft. The magnitude's 147. 147. Healthcare, we've been looking at healthcare because it is hammer in force on the week. It is in force right now. It did hit magnitude. The second target is going to be 139, and the overall target we really want is 146. We'll see what they want to do there. KHCAK, that's hard to say. CAH, Cardinal Health, 3-2 up, hammer and force on the week. Abbott, inside on the week, doing nothing. Nvidia, inside on the week, waiting. XRT, retail, inside on the week. We need to take that off. That is not an actionable signal for this week. CVS, looking inside week, looking for the 212 down or the 212 up. Actually, we're looking for the inside and up or the inside and down. CVS, AVG, PRGO, hammer. It did go in force, came right back down. So it needs to go. This thing needs to go back above $25.51. And then HP, inside on the week. Ooh, inside on the week, doing nothing. Wow, doing nothing. Actually looking for some more downside on that one. More downside. Let's look at the new scanner that I made over the weekend. The 2 up on the week. It also looks at the VWAP. Tesla 2 up on the week. Still good. Look at that. Look at that. Money flow index reconfirming. Nice. Nice. Reconfirming. You can still be in that. Tesla closes today at 285. SP, let me see here. 3-2 up on SPG. AMD, 2-2 reversal back up. Not a lot going on there. GM. Wow. GM, 2 up on the week. Amgen, 2-1-2 up. Abby, 3-2 up. Cisco, 2-2 reversal up. Cat Tractor, 3-2 up. All right, a lot of crap on the chart here. Let's take this stuff off. All right. Hopefully we can get back through all of this. Previous range right here. Adobe getting their act together. 3-2 up. Chevron, hammer in force on the week. Come on, Chevron. Do your thing. Do it. Do your job. Boeing, sharp upturn on Boeing on the money flow index. Really close to going outside a month to the upside. We'll see what they want to do there. COP, 2 up on. 2 up on the week. Merck doing the work. 2-2 up, continuation up. Meta, 2 up on the week, but red. GE, 3-2 up. Apple is 2-2 reversal up on the week. Very nice. Very nice. Amazon, 3-2 up, but red. BKNG, I'm not buying this anyway, but it's 3-2 up at $4,000 a share. Oracle, outside week to the upside. Netflix at $1,110, 3-2 up on the week. JP Morgan, 3-2 up. QCOM, 2 up. AHON, 2 up. Microsoft, 2-2 reversal back up. And PayPal, 3-2 up. So now you can see how that works. You can see how that works. It's very effective right now, still experimenting with it, but it's called 2 up on the week with VWAP. With VWAP. So let's see. Let's see how that could, you know, let's keep watching this. Let's keep watching this scanner. Keep watching this scanner. If you want a copy of this scanner, let me know. I'll send it to you. You can import it into your Trend Spider. All right. This is the Strat Soldier for the Weekend Shift update. Be careful. Set your stops. Set your stops. And remember, we trade reversals. We trade reversals. Don't let somebody try to get you to do some weird stuff on a time frame you don't like or you really don't understand. Just to make a few bucks. All right. We trade reversals. Trade the strat. Trade it right. This is the Strat Soldier for the Weekend Shift update. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.